Versatile design. Improve the overall efficiency and precision of your kitchen with the FMP 151 7500 digital 4-channel commercial kitchen countdown timer. Track cooking, baking, and holding times with this simple-to-use timer. Can be wall-mounted or placed on a counter with its non-skid legs. 9-volt battery is included. Ideal for fast-paced environments. Featuring 4 countdown timers with convenient memory recall, this commercial-grade timer is sure to keep your staff on time with both recipes and schedules. Ideal for any fast-paced, high-volume kitchen from quick-service restaurants to cafeterias. This timer can even be wall-mounted for out-of-the-way placement. Easy-to-read display. This timer comes with a large 3/4 LCD display so you can clearly read the settings. Color-coded lights and time cycle buttons also help with identification so you can get back to work faster. Beeper alarm. The 10-hour countdown is adjustable by hour, minute, and second. It also boasts an audible alert that features a unique, distinctive alarm for each time cycle. Features a high, low volume control button. Water resistant. This digital 4-in-1 countdown timer has a water-resistant keypad to protect it from harmful elements. Top reviews from the United States. Very sturdy and easy to use. I bought this to use in a high school concession stand, to keep track of our frying times. This thing was a lifesaver. It's very easy to use and the other parents learned how to use it very quickly. It's very sturdy as it has fallen off the counter and nothing has happened to it. Also, everyone is touching it with greasy hands and it just wipes clean. We've also been using the original battery the entire season. When we are done for the night, we just flip the battery around so it's not on anymore. The battery will fit in reverse without having to store it externally. We keep the timer volume on low and you can still hear it throughout the kitchen. The loud setting was a little too loud. Overall, this was a great purchase and I highly recommend it to anyone that is looking for a good quality, sturdy timer.